Hey everyone, let me just explain these little things to you. A lot of people have been saying, "Oh, you don't do a lot and you just see, you have some app that run on the ground. Like once you run your phone, they continue running like, but once you install the app, they automatically put themselves in background app and they run every time. So, so let me show you how you can just stop them and just switch them to maybe when you have Wi-Fi or any other. So all you have to do is just go to your settings and go to general. In general, you will see background app refresh. So all this app is running on the ground. So all you just have to do is to switch off the one you are not using and go to background refresh. So you can switch it to Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can off it all, anyone you want, so it won't be running on the ground again. So if this helps, all you can do for me is just like, comment and share as usual. Thanks.